back. So, how's your day? Yesterday, did you prepare?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to hear. So, based on your training activity matrix, you were able to complete all the activities in our unit of competency number 1, which is prepare the dining or restaurant area for service. So, are you ready for the institutional assessment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, with our institutional assessment, based on our evidence plan, we are going to have 3 sets of examination. Namely, written test, demonstration, and oral questioning. So, the written test, I will be giving you 1 hour to answer the questions. Okay? Are you ready for the written test? Okay, so here's your written test. Please answer it within an hour, and I'll be back to you. Okay, time is up. Are you done, Miss Gatchalian?
Yes, ma'am.
So, let you have your written test. Okay. So, after your written test, we're going to go to the institutional assessment area for your demonstration. Thank you, please. Okay, thank you, Ms. Gatchalian. So, this time, Ms. Gatchalian, we're going to have your demonstration. So, basically, there will be a performance test wherein you have to demonstrate take table reservation through telephone. So, okay? So, considering the guidelines in performance criteria checklist, I will giving you a 30 minutes to demonstrate. Is that okay with you? So, this is your specific instruction. Kindly read. And do you have any question? None? Oh, okay, thank you so much. If there's none, I'll be giving you 30 minutes to demonstrate take table reservation through telephone. I'll be the caller. Okay. Thank you, Ms. Gatchalian, for your demonstration. As a feedback, you were able to meet the performance criteria checklist. That's good. You were able to greet the caller with a friendly and professional manner. That's very good. And you also collect the essential details about the reservation. That's very good. But the areas of improvement is you have to repeat the reservation details back to the caller to ensure accuracy. Okay? But overall, you were able to thank the caller and end with a positive note. So that's a good job anyways. So now we will proceed to the last leg of your examination. Are you ready? So that is the oral questioning. So are you ready for the oral questioning, Ms. Gatchalian?
Yes.
Okay, for the first question. Okay, why did the restaurant staff distance the mouthpiece between 1 and 2 inches from the mouth?
Because keeping the mouthpiece a distance between 1 to 2 inches from the mouth can guarantee that the mouthpiece is utilized correctly, facilitating improved sound quality and smoother airflow.
Okay, that's correct. So, next question. How would you encourage your staff to adopt the practices in the workplace?
Basically, I will encourage my staff to safety practices in intensive orientation and reminders of the occupational health and safety policies and procedures.
Yes, that's correct. It's about maintaining the facility. So, okay. So, for the last question, why the restaurant staff need to mention the name of the restaurant?
It's probably because to reinforce the brand identity and ensure guests feel confident that they are in the right place.
Okay. So, just give me some time to check all your outputs. Okay? And I'll be providing you the feedback about your institutional assessment. So, you can proceed again to your learning resource center. Thank you. So, welcome back, Ms. Gatchalian. So, I'll be providing you now the feedback of your institutional assessment. So, based on your written test, okay, you were able to get 28 over 30. That's very good score. So, you're able to answer 28 correct answers and 2 wrong answers. And then, for your demonstration, you were able to perform taking table reservation through telephone and deliver it according to the performance criteria checklist. For your oral questioning, you were able to answer the questions given to you and you answer it correctly, briefly, and concisely. So based on your performance in your institutional assessment, you were able to meet the requirement set for your institutional assessment. So can you please sign in our rating sheet as an evidence that we're able to attend the institutional assessment? Okay, and then I will be recording this to your progress chart so that we can proceed with the next unit of competency. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think that will be the end of our training for today. Please go back tomorrow So, for the next instruction. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Gatchalian.
The next one.
Okay. Good morning, Miss Gatchalian. So, welcome back to our training. So, kindly please sign the attendance sheet. Okay, so we have concluded in our institutional assessment with that we're able to perform the unit of competency, which is prepare the dining or the restaurant area for service. I will giving you your certificate of achievement here for you. So congratulations, Ms. Gatchalian. And based on our record here in our progress chart, you were able to complete all the unit of competencies required for food and beverage services and seafood. Therefore, you will be given your certificate of completion for the training, and you can apply for your national assessment. So here's your certificate of training, okay? So thank you. So please go to the National Assessment Center for your national assessment. And before we end the training, I would like you to answer this pause test. Please do answer the pause test because this will see how did you progress with our training. But don't you worry, the result will not be the basis for you to end or exit in the program. Are you done? Okay. So this time, I'm requesting you to please answer our training session evaluation. Will that be fine? Yes, okay. Thank you so much. Because the training session evaluation is the evaluation of the performance of our training in terms of the facilities, the instruction, and of course, the trainer. So that we can further develop. Okay? So are you done with everything? Okay. Thank you so much, Ms. Gatchalian, for attending the training here in Corfield, Testa, Bulacan. So, God bless and good luck for your national assessment. Thank you so much, Ms. Gatchalian. Thank you.